Hi you guys, thank you so much for stopping by my video today. This is so special for me. I wasn't going to do a video today, but I have just been so happy and so excited all day that I have hit 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So I just was not expecting this. I was thinking it would happen in a week or two, so I thought I would have a little bit more time to plan an awesome video for you guys to celebrate. But it happened and I am so excited. I really appreciate every single one of you for stopping by my videos and showing your support. It means so much. So I thought I would do a really special video for you today to celebrate 2,000 subscribers. And also I wanted to give you some updates on some things I want to do with my channel going forward. So with the new year, New Year's Eve today, I can't believe it. I can't believe it's the start of a new year tomorrow. Crazy. So definitely my channel is going to get back to healthy eating. December was crazy with Vlogmas, doing a video every day from the 1st of December to Christmas Day. So that was crazy, and there was a lot of extra sweets in there and some cocktails. I'm sure you guys saw the video with my mom. If you haven't, check it out on my channel page. It was way too much fun having her here with me. So with some updates to my channel this year, I will definitely be having my mom back more often. You guys seemed to like her, so I will have her back again a few more times. We'll do some fun videos for you guys. But definitely we are gonna get back on track with healthy meal prepping. I'm gonna do some more dinner prepping and lots more breakfast prepping. Breakfast meal prepping is probably my favorite because our mornings here at my house are super hectic. Have to get the boys up and ready for school and daycare. My husband and I are making our lunches, so it's crazy. We don't have a lot of time to get everybody fed, dressed, teeth brushed, out the door on time. So definitely having lots of healthy breakfast items ready to go saves with so much just stress and organization and eating healthy. So I'm definitely gonna be doing more breakfast prepping as well. So breakfast, dinners, I will keep doing my lunches because they're my favorite. Always have to have something healthy for lunch. So I started doing this YouTube channel to kind of branch out my horizons on what I'm gonna make for lunch each week. So I was making the same thing just about every week and taking my lunch to work so that I don't have to eat out. And I thought that if I did this channel, it would make me try some new things, not have the same thing every week. And I've just been having so much fun making videos for you guys every week. It is a blast, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and supporting me and trying out some of the recipes. I love when you guys leave me comments that you made one of my recipes. It's really special to me, so I really appreciate it. So that's where my channel is gonna head. More healthy items, more meal prepping. I'll definitely have my kids on as well. You guys like to see them get involved, and they both love to cook. So I'll definitely be doing more videos with them. So I also, make sure you share my channel, share it to your Facebook, your Instagrams, all your social media. Maybe somebody that you know might be able to benefit from some meal prepping videos. I basically make these to give you some motivation, to do some meal prepping and to do some healthy eating. I love meal prepping because you can portion out everything. So one of my big things is if it's on my plate, I will eat it no matter how much it is. So with meal prepping, I can prep out the right amount so I don't overeat, and I know what's going into my food because I am making it, and I only have to make it once a week, which I love. So I make a big mess in the kitchen, and then my lunches are prepped, and I don't have to worry about getting out all the ingredients each day, and so I just love that. I love the portion control. Meal prepping also saves money, so it's wonderful. It helps with less food waste, which is less cost waste, so it's really great. So I love meal prepping, and if you guys have been around my channel, you know how much I like meal prepping and nice, healthy, simple ideas that I share with you each week. So that's where my channel is gonna head, and I really appreciate you all. It has been so special to me, and I cannot believe 2,000 subscribers. I did not think that I would hit this before the new year, but Happy New Year. So it's awesome. I love it. So I'm gonna do a pretty quick little video for you guys. I got these keto chocolate chip cookie mix, and I've been seeing this Duncan Hines keto stuff at the store. I like their cake mix, so I thought I would try this. And I've had it in the cupboard for a couple weeks, so I thought this is a great time to make a little treat to celebrate 2,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna make this, have not had it before, so I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys and let you know if they're any good or not. And I'm gonna make these in my air fryer. You guys know I love my air fryer. I cook everything in it. And I've done cookies before, but I'm gonna make these cookies also in the air fryer. So I'll get these all going, and thank you so much again for all of your support and 2,000 subscribers. It's crazy, I love it, so thank you. So let's get these cookies made. All right, you guys, so I made 2 batches of cookies because I wasn't really sure how long to cook them in the air fryer since it's a little bit different directions than what was on the box. So my first batch, I cooked them at 10 minutes. They're a little brown, a little crispy. Second batch, I started them at 5 minutes and I decreased the heat a little bit, the temperature, and then I added another 2 minutes. So they're both look good cookies out of a box, super easy. So I will give them a try. So I will try, let me try this one first. The one that's a little less golden. So it looks really good. Nice and, the chocolate chips are nice and melted. That's really good for a keto cookie. Those are 2 grams of carbs per cookie, which you really can't beat that. So that's really good, not bad. I would definitely have these again, but let me try these little more golden ones. That I cooked them a little bit longer. They're actually a little bit more firm. So chocolate chips are nice and melted, but they're really nice and kind of gooey a little bit on the inside. So I'll give this a try. I'm not sure which one I like better. The taste is really good. I'm really impressed. 2 grams of carbs per serving or per cookie. That's so awesome. So these are really fun treat for me to make to celebrate 2,000 subscribers. I think I'll definitely probably get these again and make these cookies again. I mean, really can't beat the 2 grams of carbs. I don't think I could make these myself and have them be so low in carb and actually taste really good too. They're actually really good. So delicious, fun little treat to celebrate. So I really do appreciate all you guys for your subscribing and your viewing. Also have 200,000 views as well, which is so fun, and I really appreciate all you guys stopping by. I also want to give a big shout out to all of the other YouTubers that I've met along the way on this journey. You guys, I just love the collaborations that we do together. I'm not going to list anybody's names because I might forget someone and I would just feel awful. So you all know who you are. I really appreciate you so much for all of your support, and I really enjoy the community that we've made and all of our YouTube journeys going on this together. It's really wonderful. So thank you. Really appreciate you all so much. And appreciate all of you subscribers, everyone who watches. I just have so much fun making these videos for you guys, and I just appreciate your support. So, like I said, lots of healthy meal prepping coming up in this new year. I cannot wait to share some ideas with you. I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration to do some meal prepping, if not to eat healthier, but also to stay organized. And that is really a big thing as well, besides healthy eating. Just being organized, having food ready to go so we don't have to worry about cooking and wasting time on that when we have hectic mornings and hectic nights. So thank you all again so much. I really, really appreciate it. I hope to see you at my next video, and hope that you have a really wonderful day, and Happy New Year's to you all. Bye-bye.